So you've built up an incredible career, you put in the time, the energy, the effort, the hours required to become somewhat of an expert in one particular niche or industry, and now you figure it's time to actually start monetizing that expertise and that experience. Well, if that's the case, this is the video for you, because I'm about to share 5 different ways that you can do just that. Hey, how are you? It's Chris Ducker here, and this is the place to be if you are wanting to build a profitable, future-proof business based around your experience and your expertise. Yes, we're all about building the business of you right here. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're watching on YouTube to make sure that you don't miss out on any of our weekly videos. So now more so than ever before, people are going to be willing to pay to access and download from your brain your experience and your expertise into theirs. Ultimately, people are wanting to springboard. They're wanting to fast track their expertise and their success. And the quickest way to be able to do that, obviously, is to work with somebody and to learn from somebody who has been there and done that before. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my 5 top strategies when it comes to monetizing that expertise so that you can build a future-proof business for yourself and at the very same time serve the people that need you more so today than ever before. So the first way that we can start monetizing our expertise is to do so through one-on-one consulting and coaching. Now look, I understand this isn't the most scalable approach to making money because obviously you're trading time for money, but it is the lowest hanging monetization fruit when it comes to building a business based around you and your expertise. So if you haven't thought about coaching people one-on-one and consulting with maybe companies or individuals on a one-on-one basis, now is the time to do so. Just make sure, however, that you charge what you feel you're genuinely worth. Now, the second way to be able to monetize our expertise is to do so via affiliate marketing. Now, if this is a term that you've not heard before, quite frankly, it's as simple as this. You provide a link, somebody clicks on that link. If they buy that product, you make a commission. It's as simple as that. And that link can obviously live on your website, on your blog. You can mention it on your podcasts or in your videos. You can even put it in emails, even in your PS to your emails, and your email signatures perhaps. Bottom line is you give them a link, they click on it. If they buy, you go ahead and make a commission. I will say that the beautiful thing about this is that although it won't make you a ton of money straight away, it's a great long-term strategy because once those links are out there, obviously they can be clicked on by tens of thousands of people over the next coming months and years. So it's a really good long game approach. Just be sure, however, that you only suggest people that check out products and services that you genuinely use or trust yourself. Don't just give them anything to click on. Third way to be able to monetize your expertise and your experience is to be able to put it into an online product of some variety. Now this can be an online course, it can be an email course, it can be audio downloads, video downloads, whatever the case may be. This is you downloading some of your experience into an online product, a digital product. This is where scalability really does come into play because obviously you create this once and you sell it over and over and over and over again. It's actually a great strategy for long-term monetization. Anyone really wanting to monetize their expertise should get into digital online products in some way, shape, or form. Whether it's a very small, digestible course or a great big flagship course where you've got multiple videos and downloads and workbooks and all these things, regardless of what it is, make sure you charge respectively, obviously, and deliver all out value. Now, the fourth way for you to be able to monetize your expertise is to do so in the format of a membership site. Now, we all know that subscriptions are all the rage. Think Apple Music, think Spotify, think YouTube Premium, think Netflix, right? There's a whole bunch of them out there. Well, there's no reason why you can't package your experience and your expertise into a membership website. I mean, we've done it with the Youpreneur Academy over at youpreneuracademy.com. So there's no reason why you can't do likewise as well. However, this isn't the most passive of income generating strategies out there. Understand, if you want to get that recurring and that predictive revenue coming in every single month, you've got to show up every single month as well. So bear that in mind. It's not a tactic that everyone will want to take action on, but if it is something that will excite you in terms of that recurring predictive income, then it's certainly an income source that you should look at. And then finally, our fifth way to be able to monetize your expertise is to do so in the form of events. Whether you're doing it in person or online, one way or the other, the idea of delivering content for people to be able to learn from and bring people together for them to be able to discover each other and network each other is obviously something that is very, very attractive for a lot of people, regardless of what niche or industry you're in. And you want to be the guide here rather than the hero, right? To use a Star Wars analogy, think Obi-Wan instead of Luke Skywalker. You want to be Obi-Wan. You want to be the one that brings everyone together. If you do that, they'll never forget you. And regardless of whether you're doing a small roundtable mastermind type setup or big, huge conference, it doesn't matter. People genuinely want to do business with other people. They want to be surrounded by other people. And if you're the one that's going to bring them together, then they're going to be thankful for it. So there you go. There's my top 5 tips on how to be able to monetize your expertise and your experience. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you hit that like button. Comment below, what was the one strategy that you're going to take action on before any of the others? And be sure, if you're watching on YouTube, to hit that subscribe button, because I'd hate for you to miss out on any of the goodness coming your way here on the channel. Until then, take good care, and I'll talk to you soon.